Hi, today I'm making sugared cranberries. So, sugared cranberries are something of a garnish. They can be eaten as a snack, but they typically are used as garnish. So, it's very simple. I have 2 cups of fresh cranberries, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of water, as well as parchment paper, or you can use wax paper. So I'm going to begin by taking my granulated sugar and my water and combining them into a stock pot. So I'm going to set a little bit aside so that I can roll the cranberries after they have been blanched. So I'm going to begin by adding my cup of water and then next adding a cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to just stir that slightly. So this is just about a minute. And then I'm going to then add my 2 cups of fresh cranberries. And I'm adding them to the pot, and I'm going to basically just sort of let them cook for about 4 more minutes. Right, so the sugar's been dissolved in the water and the cranberries have been added. I'm stirring just a little bit, and then I'm going to use a slotted spoon to transfer the cranberries to the parchment paper. And so they'll be quite sticky. So we're going to let them just sort of cool for, about an hour. So you can do this while, in the background while you have something else going on. You can use the cranberry simple syrup that you've made, and that can be the base for mocktails or cocktails. It's really great a syrup to have to add to those things. Next, you're going to take your spoon and ladle the cranberries into the granulated sugar. And you're going to just spoon those in and move them around in the sugar until they're coated and transfer them back to the parchment paper. Once you've done that, you can use the sugared cranberries for garnishes, for drinks or for pies or cakes. Their beautiful crystal coating makes it very festive for the holiday.